Last year, Uzbekistan said cough syrups manufactured in India had poisoned 19 children. And now, as per Reuters, there are more details that are emerging about these cough syrups. That the manufacturer has been caught using a toxic industrial-grade ingredient instead of a legitimate pharmaceutical version. Which toxic ingredient did they actually use? And what kind of action has been taken against the manufacturer? Our next report getting you the complete story.
Marion Biotech, a company based in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, has been in the news. Last year, Uzbekistan said that cough syrups manufactured in India had poisoned 19 children. And now, as per a Reuters report, sources have told the agency that the manufacturer used a toxic industrial-grade ingredient instead of the legitimate pharmaceutical version. According to the Reuters report, Marion Biotech bought an ingredient called propylene glycol. Although the substance is necessary to make cough syrups, the problem is that the company bought an industrial-grade substance instead of a pharmaceutical grade. Maya Chemtech India, which sold the ingredient, said that they did not know that Marion was going to use it to make cough syrups. They were not told what it was going to be used for. Experts say industrial-grade propylene glycol is used in liquid detergents, antifreeze, paints, and pesticides. According to Uzbekistan's health ministry, Marion's cough syrups contained large amounts of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol. These are substances not meant for human consumption. Experts say that DEG and EG are used as a substitute for propylene glycol, as they are cheaper. The WHO says that in 2021, when prices of propylene glycol had spiked, suppliers had started to mix cheaper toxic liquids with the legitimate chemical. What about action against Marion Biotech? So far, authorities have cancelled the company's license. 3 employees have been arrested, and warrants have been issued for the arrest of 2 directors. Last year, another Indian-manufactured cough syrup reportedly killed at least 70 children in Gambhir. The syrups were yet again contaminated with toxins. Tainted cough syrups made in Indonesia were linked to the deaths of more than 200 children there. The deaths prompted an international inquiry into the pharmaceutical supply chain, and India has now made it mandatory for companies to have their cough syrups tested before export from June. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.